What's going on, it's Jonnie Grooms, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the best deals in beard care today. I'm going to be talking about Debonair Beard Company's Mini Deluxe Kit. For $30, this is what you're going to get. A 2-ounce hydrating mist, a 2-ounce beard wash, a 1/2 ounce beard oil, a 1.7 ounce beard butter, and 0.75 ounces of beard balm. I've used Debonair's beard oil and beard butter in the past. If you want to check that review out, I'll put a link right up top for that review on the mahogany and teak wood scent, which is an amazing scent. If you're going to try Debonair Beard Company, that's where I would start. The scent I chose for the mini kit was Paul Bunyan. Paul Bunyan is a blend of clove, orange peel, cinnamon and maple with apple and honey, and base notes of vanilla and brown sugar. The mini kit is the perfect thing to get if you want to try all of Debonair's products. Every single one of these containers is perfect for air travel. The entire kit doesn't take that much room in a carry-on bag, and you have all your beard products for your trip. One thing that I've started using is the hydrating mist. I never used the hydrating mist in my beard before. I've always stuck to oils, butters, washes. That's pretty much standard when it comes to beard care. You're gonna need your wash to wash your beard, oil to nourish the skin, and butter and balms for styling and locking in that hydration, that moisture to keep your hair nice and healthy. So when I got the hydrating mist, I said, how am I gonna use the hydrating mist? I never used hydrating mist before. This is the very first time. So I found a great way to use it. I find myself using the hydrating mist in the middle of the day. Spray it on. It moistens your hairs and kind of reactivates the oil that you put in the morning. It's kind of like my technique of just adding a little bit of water, except the hydrating mist is in the scent profile of your choice. And it smells exactly like the oil and exactly like the butter. So you get a great product refresher in the beard. One thing I would definitely like to note is that it is summertime, it is warmer weather. When it comes to getting your beard balms and butters, they may come a little liquefied. So open with caution. Of course, if you can, stick everything in the fridge. That way it has time to cool down and re-solidify. One thing that I did notice that Debonair did do with their jars is they put a sealer on it. So the jars come at you sealed. This, of course, is open because I've used it, but I left the seal intact in case I'm gonna go traveling. I can put these in my carry-on with in a Ziploc bag, and I don't have to worry about them leaking. Again, this is the Deluxe Mini Kit. For $30, it's such a great value. You get everything you need to take care of your beard. It's an awesome way to test out all of Debonair's products in the scent of your choice. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. I just wanted to kind of highlight this, let people know that it's out there. Check it out. Really like the Paul Bunyan scent. It's very complex, got a lot going on there, but one of my favorites is definitely mahogany and teak wood. Also, Fantasy Island is another really good fragrance. A very nice summertime citrus coconut type of tropical scent. Smells delicious. Great thing for the summertime, so you might want to check that out as well. That'll be it for today's video. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.